Hello, everyone. Welcome to Quick Speak Q&A. Let's start. Where are you traveling to?
I'm traveling to Paris.
When is your flight?
My flight is tomorrow morning.
How long is the trip?
The trip is about 10 hours.
Are you traveling alone?
No, I'm traveling with my family.
Do you have your passport?
Yes, I have it right here.
How many bags do you have?
I have 2 bags.
Where is the check-in counter?
The check-in counter is over there.
What time do we board the plane?
We board at 6 p.m.
How far is the hotel from the airport?
It's about 20 minutes.
What places do you want to visit?
I want to visit museums and parks.
Do you need a taxi or Uber?
I need an Uber, please.
How much is the ticket?
The ticket is $50.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included.
Can you help me, please?
Sure. How can I help you?
Where is the nearest restaurant?
It's right across the street.
What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 p.m.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I booked online.
What's your seat number?
My seat number is 14A.
Where is the boarding gate?
The gate is B12.
Do you want a window or aisle seat?
I prefer a window seat.
How much luggage can I take?
You can take 1 suitcase and 1 backpack.
Is Wi-Fi available?
Yes, Wi-Fi is available on the plane.
What time does the bus leave?
The bus leaves at 3 p.m.
Where can I buy a ticket?
You can buy it at the counter.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, you can.
How long are you staying?
I'm staying for 1 week.
Do you want a map?
Yes, please. That would help a lot.
Is this the right train?
Yes, this train goes downtown.
Where can I exchange money?
You can exchange money at the airport.
How much is the taxi to the city center?
It's around $25.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
What time does the museum open?
It opens at 9 a.m.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Where is the restroom?
It's down the hall on the left.
Can I get a late checkout?
Yes, until 2 p.m.
Does the room have air conditioning?
Yes, it does.
How do I get to the beach?
Take the bus number 5.
Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, it's on the next corner.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do I need to show my ID?
Yes, please.
Where can I rent a car?
You can rent a car at the arrivals area.
What time does the tour start?
The tour starts at 10 a.m.
How long does the tour last?
It lasts about 2 hours.
Can you take a picture of us?
Sure, I'd be happy to.
Where can I buy souvenirs?
You can buy them in the gift shop.
Is the water safe to drink?
Yes, it's safe.
How far is the city center?
It's about 10 minutes by car.
What time is dinner served?
Dinner is served from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Do you have vegetarian options?
Yes, we do.
Can I leave my bags here?
Yes, we offer luggage storage.